Imagine a car that's not just engineered but crafted, where every curve is meticulously shaped, every stitch in the leather upholstery is hand-sawn with precision, and every component, from the smallest bolt to the most powerful engine, is designed to deliver a driving experience that feels almost otherworldly. Ferrari is not just a car company, it's an iconic symbol of performance, luxury, and innovation. But what does it take to bring a Ferrari to life? How do engineers and craftsmen combine cutting-edge technology with decades of tradition to create a machine that can reach speeds most of us can only dream of? The process of building a Ferrari is a journey unlike any other. From the very first spark of an idea to the moment it roars to life on the track, every step is a meticulous dance of engineering, artistry, and passion. This isn't just about making a car. It's about creating the ultimate driving experience. And today, we're taking you behind the scenes of Ferrari's world-class factory to show you exactly how these automotive masterpieces are born. Buckle up, because the ride through Ferrari's engineering and assembly secrets is about to begin. Ferrari, a name that has become synonymous with speed, luxury, and unmatched performance. When you think of Ferrari, you're not just imagining a car, but an experience. It's a brand that's not only conquered the racetrack, but has captured the hearts of enthusiasts around the world. But what makes a Ferrari stand apart from every other luxury car on the market? It's not just the iconic prancing horse logo, nor is it merely the breathtaking speed or the aggressive engine roar. No, what truly sets Ferrari apart is the meticulous craftsmanship and engineering that goes into every single model. For over 70 years, Ferrari has been pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence, blending art and science in ways no other manufacturer has dared to. The company's history is a testament to innovation, one that began in the heart of Italy, where the passion for cars runs as deep as the country's heritage. From the very first Ferrari road car, the 125S, which hit the roads in 1947, to the latest models like the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, the brand has never stopped evolving. But throughout every era, one thing has remained constant: the pursuit of perfection. Ferrari's journey from a dream to a global powerhouse of performance is one that involves thousands of hours of engineering, hundreds of skilled craftsmen, and the best technology available, all working in harmony. The brand's commitment to precision is unparalleled, and it's this very obsession with detail that has led Ferrari to craft cars that are not just machines, but a fusion of art, design, and performance. Every Ferrari is more than just a car. It's a story of passion, engineering genius, and a commitment to creating something that transcends the ordinary. What makes Ferrari's engineering so unique is the way they blend the latest technological innovations with the artistry of their designers. They take what's on the cutting edge of car technology and combine it with the timeless tradition of hand craftsmanship. The result? A vehicle that not only performs at an extraordinary level, but also feels like it's been created just for you, with a level of care and attention to detail that's hard to find anywhere else. But what does the process look like behind the scenes? How does Ferrari turn an idea into a breathtakingly beautiful and mind-blowingly powerful vehicle? It all starts at their legendary factory in Maranello, Italy. Here, every Ferrari is born from a combination of high-tech machinery, precision engineering, and an artisanal touch that brings the car to life piece by piece. Unlike many car manufacturers, Ferrari doesn't mass-produce their vehicles. Instead, they focus on quality over quantity, crafting each Ferrari by hand, often to the exact specifications of their clients. It's a careful and deliberate process, where every detail is checked, scrutinized, and perfected. In the next few minutes, we'll take you inside the Ferrari factory, a world where craftsmanship meets technology and where the impossible is made possible. We'll explore the engineering secrets, the materials used, the precision that goes into every component, and the tireless work that goes into making a Ferrari not just a car, but a piece of automotive history. The engineering secrets. When you think about Ferrari, one of the first things that comes to mind is its exceptional performance. But what does that performance really mean? How do Ferrari engineers consistently create cars that are not only fast but also feel almost otherworldly when you're behind the wheel? The answer lies in the careful and precise engineering process that goes into every model Ferrari produces. It all starts with Ferrari's design philosophy. Unlike other car manufacturers, Ferrari doesn't just focus on aesthetics or raw power alone. Instead, it believes in the perfect balance of both. Every Ferrari is engineered with a singular goal in mind: to create the ultimate driving experience. This philosophy is evident from the very first sketches to the final assembly of the car. Ferrari designers and engineers work closely together, with designers pushing the boundaries of what's possible in terms of style, while engineers ensure that each design element is grounded in performance and functionality. One of the key elements of Ferrari's engineering is their focus on aerodynamics. The sleek, aggressive lines of a Ferrari are not just for show. They are the result of countless hours of wind tunnel testing and computer simulations aimed at reducing drag and improving downforce. Every curve and every angle of a Ferrari body is crafted to maximize performance, whether it's on the racetrack or the open road. The goal is not just speed, it's to create a car that feels like it's glued to the road with every turn and every acceleration. Ferrari's engineers also focus heavily on materials, carefully selecting what goes into each car to ensure it delivers the best possible performance. The use of lightweight, high-strength materials is crucial for achieving the kind of speed and agility that Ferrari is known for. Carbon fiber, for example, is used extensively throughout Ferrari's designs. This material is not only incredibly light, but also extremely strong, providing a perfect balance of weight and strength that is critical for high-performance vehicles. The company also uses aluminum and magnesium alloys to further reduce weight while maintaining the structural integrity of the car. Under the hood, Ferrari cars feature some of the most advanced engines in the world. Ferrari's V8 and V12 engines are marvels of engineering, designed to deliver power and efficiency in perfect harmony. The engine is at the heart of every Ferrari, and it is this powerhouse that enables the car to achieve the mind-blowing speeds that enthusiasts crave. Whether it's the raw sound of the engine roaring to life, or the smooth acceleration as you press the pedal to the metal, Ferrari's engineering ensures that every moment behind the wheel is thrilling. Another key factor in Ferrari's engineering is their commitment to incorporating Formula One technology into their production cars. The F1 team has been a vital part of Ferrari's development process for years, with lessons learned on the racetrack being applied directly to their road cars. This includes everything from advanced suspension systems to specialized cooling mechanisms that ensure the car stays at peak performance even under extreme conditions. The synergy between Ferrari's racing division and their road car division has created an environment of constant innovation, where each model benefits from the latest advancements in automotive technology. In the world of Ferrari, performance is not just about power. It's about balance, precision, and a relentless pursuit of perfection in every aspect of the car's design and engineering. The assembly process. Now that we've explored the engineering marvels that go into every Ferrari, it's time to take a look at what happens inside the factory itself. Ferrari's assembly process is unlike any other in the automotive world. While many car manufacturers rely on mass production and automation, Ferrari takes a different approach. Here, each vehicle is treated as a masterpiece, handcrafted by a skilled team of engineers and craftsmen who bring their years of experience to every detail. At Ferrari's factory in Maranello, Italy, the assembly process begins with a blueprint. But it's far more than just a series of drawings. It's a vision for perfection. Every part that makes up a Ferrari is carefully crafted and then brought together, with precision and artistry. The body panels are first put together in a way that ensures perfect alignment, creating the sleek aerodynamic profile that Ferrari is known for. It's a process that requires extreme attention to detail, and only the most skilled craftsmen are trusted with this step. The assembly process is a combination of cutting-edge technology and artisanal skill. For instance, Ferrari uses robots for certain tasks, such as welding and precise component placement. But the real magic happens when human hands take over. Once the basic structure of the car is in place, it's the craftsmen who step in to ensure that every detail is just right. Whether it's stitching the leather seats, fitting the dashboard, or installing the intricate systems that power the car, the human touch is essential. One of the most crucial elements of the Ferrari assembly line is the engine installation. Unlike many other car manufacturers, Ferrari's engines are hand-assembled by expert technicians. These technicians are not just workers on a factory line, they are true artisans. The engine, which is the beating heart of every Ferrari, is carefully assembled with the utmost care, ensuring that it meets Ferrari's rigorous performance standards. The precision required to assemble a Ferrari engine is extraordinary. Each component is meticulously checked and rechecked to ensure flawless functionality. Once the engine is in place, the car moves on to the next stages of the assembly line, where more skilled workers perform tasks like installing the suspension system, the transmission, and the exhaust system. Each part is installed to focus on performance, safety, and reliability. The suspension system, for example, is engineered to ensure that the car maintains optimal handling, whether on a racetrack or cruising along a winding road. Ferrari's engineers work hand in hand with the assembly team to ensure that everything fits perfectly and that no detail is overlooked. The interior of the Ferrari is another area where craftsmanship shines. Ferrari's artisans take great pride in creating interiors that are as luxurious as they are functional. The leather seats, the polished wooden accents, the custom stitching, everything is made to order, and every choice is guided by the customer's personal preferences. It's not just about creating a car that looks good. It's about creating a space where every inch exudes luxury and sophistication. Once the car is fully assembled, it undergoes a rigorous quality control process to ensure that every system is functioning perfectly. This is the final step before the car is ready for testing and delivery. The process may take longer than mass production, but for Ferrari, it's the only way to ensure that each car leaving the factory meets the brand's uncompromising standards. Quality control and testing. Once a Ferrari is fully assembled, the real test begins. The brand's commitment to quality doesn't end at the assembly line. In fact, this is where Ferrari's dedication to perfection truly comes to the forefront. Every Ferrari undergoes a rigorous quality control process, designed to ensure that each car is not only beautiful and powerful, but also safe, reliable, and capable of performing at the highest possible level. The first step in this process is a comprehensive inspection of every component of the car. Technicians go over every inch of the vehicle, from the body panels to the smallest screws, checking for any imperfections or inconsistencies. The paint job is meticulously inspected to ensure that the finish is flawless. There can be no blemishes on a Ferrari. The wheels, suspension, and brakes are tested to ensure they meet Ferrari's exacting standards. Each part is carefully checked against a set of strict criteria that ensure it performs optimally under even the most demanding conditions. But it's not just about looking for defects. Ferrari's engineers use advanced diagnostic tools to measure the car's performance. The car is connected to a sophisticated system that monitors everything from engine performance to suspension behavior. Technicians review data on the car's engine power, torque, fuel efficiency, and more. They make fine adjustments where necessary, ensuring that the car performs exactly as it should. This is no ordinary quality check. This is the kind of testing that happens in high-performance motorsports, and Ferrari applies the same exacting standards to every car they build. Next comes the real-world testing. Ferrari's testing procedures take place not only within the factory walls but also on the road and the track. The cars are driven by expert drivers who push them to their limits, testing their handling, acceleration, and braking in various conditions. Ferrari's private test track in Fiorano, Italy, is the perfect environment for these tests, with tight corners, long straights, and challenging elevation changes. The cars are put through their paces, and every aspect of their performance is scrutinized. Engineers and drivers work closely together to refine the car's performance, making adjustments to suspension settings, tire pressure, and other factors that affect the car's driving dynamics. These tests aren't just about performance, they also focus on safety. Every Ferrari is subjected to crash tests, simulating real-world accidents to ensure that the car is as safe as it is fast. The quality control process includes checking the car's structural integrity, ensuring that the safety features, such as airbags, seat belts, and crumple zones, function flawlessly in the event of a collision. Ferrari's engineers go beyond standard safety regulations, making sure that every Ferrari on the road offers the highest possible level of protection for its driver and passengers. Finally, before the car leaves the factory, it undergoes a final test drive, where any last adjustments are made. The car is driven one last time to ensure that everything is perfect, from the engine's response to the sound of the exhaust. The driver's seat is adjusted, the steering wheel is checked, and the overall driving experience is scrutinized to ensure it meets Ferrari's legendary standards. Only once everything passes with flying colors does the car receive its final approval and is ready for delivery. Final product. masterpiece on the road. After months of meticulous engineering, precise assembly, and extensive testing, the time has come for the Ferrari to leave the factory. But this isn't just any car rolling off the assembly line, it's a masterpiece. A culmination of Ferrari's tireless dedication to perfection. Each Ferrari is the result of a process that combines cutting-edge technology with centuries-old craftsmanship. The final product isn't just a car. It's an experience, a work of art designed to elevate the way we think about performance, luxury, and design. Once the car passes all the final checks, it's carefully prepared for delivery. The car is polished to perfection, ensuring that every inch of the body gleams under the sunlight, and every detail, from the iconic prancing horse emblem to the customized leather interior, is in its place. Ferrari doesn't just hand over a set of keys. It delivers an experience that begins the moment you lay eyes on the car. The gleaming paintwork, the hand-stitched leather, and the intricate details all come together to create a car that commands attention. When you step inside a Ferrari, you're not just entering a vehicle. You're entering a world of luxury and performance like no other. The interior of a Ferrari is as much a work of art as the car's exterior. The seats are hand-stitched from the finest leather, with every seam carefully placed to ensure both comfort and aesthetic appeal. The dashboard is crafted from the highest quality materials, featuring polished wood, aluminum, or carbon fiber accents, depending on the model. The steering wheel, which is the interface between the driver and the car, is designed to fit perfectly in the hands of those who demand the highest level of control. Every button, dial, and display is intuitively placed, creating a cockpit that feels custom-built for the driver. But a Ferrari is more than just a beautiful car to look at. When the engine roars to life, it's an entirely different experience. The sound of Ferrari's engine is unlike any other. Whether it's the growl of a V8 or the thunderous roar of a V12, the engine note is music to the ears of automotive enthusiasts. The power, the responsiveness, and the precision of the engine are all key elements of the Ferrari experience. As you press the accelerator, the car surges forward with an unmistakable grace and power that only a Ferrari can deliver. The road seems to disappear beneath you as the car hugs every curve, effortlessly gliding through even the tightest corners. What makes driving a Ferrari so special is the perfect balance of performance and luxury. The car feels like an extension of the driver, responding to every input with precision and speed. Whether you're navigating a winding mountain road or tearing down a straight highway, the car's performance is exceptional. The suspension system, refined over years of motorsport experience, ensures that the car maintains its composure no matter the road conditions, while the braking system, another engineering marvel, allows you to stop on a dime, giving you the confidence to push the car to its limits. For Ferrari owners, driving a Ferrari isn't just about transportation, it's a segment. It's about the joy of knowing that you're behind the wheel of one of the finest machines ever made, a car that represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering. It's about being part of a legacy of craftsmanship, performance, and passion that dates back to the very first Ferrari built in 1947. And as that Ferrari roars down the road, there's no question that it's not just a car. It's a symbol of human achievement, of innovation, and of a brand that has set the standard for what a true masterpiece on wheels should be. In the world of automobiles, Ferrari stands as a symbol of what is possible when passion, precision, and innovation converge. From the first spark of an idea to the moment the car rolls off the assembly line, every Ferrari is a testament to the relentless pursuit of perfection. What makes Ferrari unique isn't just their ability to build cars that are fast. It's their dedication to creating an experience that goes beyond mere transportation. Ferrari cars are crafted to excite, to challenge, and to elevate the driving experience to a level few other manufacturers can even dream of. Behind every Ferrari is a team of highly skilled engineers, designers, and craftsmen who pour their hearts and souls into each vehicle. Their attention to detail, their tireless work, and their unwavering commitment to quality are what ensure that each Ferrari isn't just a car. It's a work of art, a masterpiece that is as much about emotion and passion as it is about engineering. Every curve, every stitch, every note of the engine is designed to inspire. It's not just about speed. It's about crafting a machine that feels alive, a car that becomes a part of the driver's identity. But the Ferrari journey doesn't end once the car leaves the factory. Each model continues to evolve, with new innovations, technologies, and designs that push the boundaries of what's possible. Ferrari's commitment to excellence is a never-ending process. They continue to lead the automotive world, constantly refining and enhancing their models to ensure they remain at the top of their game. Whether it's the thrill of driving on a racetrack or the experience of cruising on open roads, Ferrari cars deliver an unparalleled sense of joy, performance, and luxury. As Ferrari continues to innovate, one thing remains constant: the pursuit of perfection. Whether you're an automotive enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates the artistry and craftsmanship that goes into making a Ferrari, one thing is clear: the Ferrari experience is one that will stay with you forever. Every Ferrari is not just a machine, it's a story, a legacy, and an expression of the highest level of engineering excellence. So, now that you've seen what goes into making a Ferrari, what do you think? Is there a model that caught your eye? Or maybe you have a dream Ferrari you'd love to drive? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Ferrari, make sure to hit that like button. Share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more behind-the-scenes looks into the world of luxury cars and high-end manufacturing. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and remember, the road to perfection is always under construction.